I would say my biggest strength is probably my speed and accuracy, just because I'm quick and can do things, like if they need it done, I can get it done quick and accurate so they can actually use it instead of being quick and being sloppy all over the place. I'm actually organized behind me. It's just easy and I'm artistic versus stuff in there. It's all really the same kind of thing. If it's mushy, it's mushy, and if it's sad, but once it's in the finished dish, it's not really the same. It's not fun to play with, but baking is more fun to play with. It's fine-tuning everything, more or less. It's helped me be cleaner. It's helped with just how I put stuff together for dishes. It's helped me turn around my life. The Art Institute has refined my skills as a culinary artist. It has affected my cleanliness in the kitchen. The Art Institute has made me become a leader because it actually, you get the taste of being a leader, and then they'll give it to you, then they'll switch it around, and then you'll get the taste again, and then you go around, so you keep wanting it, but you gotta wait your turn. I'm not really like a loudmouth joking around, but I'll get stuff done. Like I'll say, people, you got this, 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 and this done. I'm a loudmouth when it comes to that, but not really playing around. Your voice gets above everybody else's, where they hear you more or less anybody else. That actually happened this morning. Oh, I didn't know where I was going to, what position I was, and chef kind of raised his voice at me at the beginning, and then it made my voice raise up higher than his, and it just became an endless cycle until I backed down. And I've gotten fired from many jobs being loud. I've been working in food service since I was 15. It's really all I know around when it comes to jobs, and I just got good at it. So it's a nice little skill that I have under my belt. There was a lot of vegetables in there that we had to cut up into fine dice because we had to form it underneath the actual meat. And then for our crab cakes, we had to mix breadcrumbs, vinegar, mayonnaise, soy sauce, and then miso. Miso is a bean that's ground up and it's kind of like a paste. And we ground all that up and just put it all together, and the miso is what stuck it together, and we threw the crab in right the last second because it has a bad time with cooling air. It has to be cold all the time. And that's pretty much what I made today. You just have to mise en place. It's French for put in place. Well, you would get a tray, and then you would label the tray whatever the food dish is, and then everything that you cut for the ingredients goes in a certain part. So whenever you're done doing it, you just take the tray out and just mix everything together really fast. And then it cuts down on your cook time, on your other time, so you're not cooking. Then you have to go over and cut that while this is burning. It's easy, it's a smoother way in. It's one of my skills that I can do. It's all right. It's pretty fun. I would say it's more or less that I'm good at it, why I'm here, not more or less why I'm here. So that's where it comes into play on that part. Yes, I'm looking so I can jump out of the field and become a manager or become a sous chef, which that'd take a long time. But just trying to, instead of being a line cook, I want to show my credentials and get jumped up higher than what I really am. Because you got to have business in order to run it. My mom's an entrepreneur, and that's just going through me. Whenever I see everything, I'm thinking about money parts. It has to look nice because it needs money. It's got to be like this because it makes more money. I'm more looking at the money aspect of it than I am an art.